Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So let's see, this week has been pretty busy. I got my Moodle site and I am still trying to figure out how to use it. I have set up the initial part of my modules with dates uh, for September 2020. So what I would like the course to be broken up into. I have the first module set up already here. So then once I figure out how to use this guy, then I should be able to just hopefully lay those out. So that's a new thing for me. Then I've also been watching Animation Foundations Fundamentals on LinkedIn Learning, and this is the very first tutorial on 3D and 2D animation, so it teaches you the very basics. And I've never used Blender or SketchUp, so I need to watch this tutorial to learn the basics of 3D design. Okay, so I've been doing that, and then once I'm done with these guys, then I also will watch this start to finish tutorial, which is gonna teach me how to um, make something in Blender and then upload it to the Firestorm. And I think I'm gonna start with a piece of clothing. I'm gonna make a t-shirt, like I think with the Mona Lisa or something like that. Okay, so that's what I have been up to on the instructional design part of the course and learning the new software I wanted to this summer. Okay, so in my virtual environment, this is the Cafe Da Vinci area. And what I have been doing is just setting up on this meeting area, like the interactive boards that I have come up with. And I think some of you have seen the tic-tac-toe one. So you would click on a card and you would select either the O or the X. And the Jeopardy board, well, I think both of you guys have seen that one. That one's not set up yet, but I've got like the question and the answer, and then I have to copy and upload the rest of the textures, but it's taking me a while to get the right resolution in there. And then this is just the scavenger hunt sign. I have the scavenger hunt set up on the island, and it's a pirate ship, um, a pirate theme. So these pirates came and stole these paintings and hid them all over the island. And there's clues in these images here. So this is mostly for like a K through 12 book. I played it with my nephew, and he made the assumption that one of them was going to be in the soccer field, and the other one was going to be in the lighthouse, then the other one in the pirate ship, and the last one in some kind of water fountain or a waterfall or something. And this is the one board that you can click, and you can set up to 22 textures that you can flip through. So let's say you wanted to do like a slideshow, then you could just click and slide through all of your textures or images. And so is this one. So each one of these you can set up until 22 of them here, and you'd have to just put in your textures here right underneath your script. So there's that one. And then, well, in terms of building, I have been developing this area right here, which is going to be like the graduation. Am I still sitting? Still fine. Okay. Okay, the graduation area, I think you guys saw in my introduction video. Okay, and I have been working on this car ride thingamajig. I named it car moving. So right now it's like the Starry Night background. I don't have it. But if you click on it, it moves around and follows a path. and then it comes right back to you. Okay, and then you can actually sit on it. And let's see, which is the, there we go. I think no, I think it's this one. No, this one. Okay. Then if you click on it, you move along with it. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do some kind of ride, like a train ride or like a car ride or something fun. I was trying to see if I could play with the distance so they could go you know, uh, like a longer way, but I'm not sure yet. So that's what I've been up to this week. I'm looking forward to our meeting this Tuesday, and hopefully we'll learn a lot from each other. Oh, then if you have two of them, they'll follow each other. Oh wait, I gotta close my, there we go. That's kind of neat. So that's why I was thinking about racing. But they all follow the same path, so I don't know, it kind of doesn't make any sense. So unless I can change the path or make some go longer or make some go faster, I don't know if it make much sense. But I'm still playing with this. Okay, guys, thanks.